Welcome to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out with Julie Coraccio. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., Julie interviews experts on all areas of clutter: physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional. A clutter coach and professional organizer, Julie also offers tips to help you get clutter-free for a more joyful and fulfilling life.
Today I'm going to do my first product review. I'm really excited about this, and it's going to be a little longer than usual. I usually like to keep videos to about 2 or 3 minutes, but with this series I really want to go in depth. This is something that's really important to me. I want to be authentic, and you're going to see that because I'm new to a Mac, and on my PC I didn't know I was able to cut and do edits. Can't do it, don't know how to do it on this. So what you see is what you get, but it will be authentic. Not perfect, but authentic. So I first met Adam Levine, who is the designer and creator of this product, via social media. And I was really impressed with his energy, and we ended up talking via Google, and hats off to Adam. I'm doing Google Hangouts because of Adam. And so he's telling me about my product, and I said, well, I'm a professional organizer, love to learn more about it. And just, I'm not paid for this at all, not a paid endorsement. This is, Adam did send me the project to try out, and I'm very excited that I like it because he's such a wonderful guy, and if I didn't like it, I would have been really disappointed. But we will talk about that today. But, as I get older, I really want to work with clients that appreciate me and that I enjoy working with, as well as doing business with people who are helping others, giving back, and are just nice people to be around. And so when I find someone that I like and they have a product that I like, I'm very excited to introduce it to people and help get the word out. So we're going to be talking about the Wrap It gift bag today. Now, the first thing that I like about this is, there we go, that they didn't use excessive packaging. That's a personal pet peeve of mine when I order something small and then there's a huge wasted space. So this is what it comes in, and it's great. We got a great shop of the website, wrapitgiftbag.com, for you to order and find out more, and also put it underneath the YouTube video. But this is what it came in, and the outside cardboard was fit right over this, so they didn't waste any packaging. And remember to recycle it when you buy one of these, because that's really important. And so that was the first thing that made me happy. Now, I'm very excited about this product because I just had a very loose system. We keep our gifts and gift wrappings in a separate bedroom. Now, I'm the professional organizer of the house, and I'm recently married, so you just kind of have that adjustment and of doing things. Now, my husband is not the most organized person in the world, so if I'm like, hey, where are the scissors or tape? They're not where I put them last time. So this product has solved that, which I'm very excited about. Now, just so you don't think I'm slamming my husband, because we all have our strengths, I am not the world's best gift wrapper. Case in point, one of his Valentine's Day gifts. I just don't have the time to be precise. He does the gift wrapping of the family. So this is why this product's so great. I want to say, before I show it to you, you can see it in the background a little bit, something that I really like. As an organizer, I've worked with people who have those plastic containers where it looks like you fit about 10 to 12 rolls, and then some have a top where you can put ribbons in. Those are really bulky, and when you don't have a lot of space, they really take up a lot of space. Now I see that you can hang up, they have a hanger for you to hang the product in the closet. I had my husband put a hook on the back of the door because that saves us even more space because it's that compact that you can do that. But these are a lot easier to handle. I took it from our bedroom and brought it in the office so I could film this. I know a lot of times with those other things, the lid can fall off, and they really do take up a lot of space. So that's the first thing if you're looking for something that's saving space. And most people are going to have wrapping paper, especially if you have families. We have lots of nieces and nephews, so you're going to have ribbon, wrapping paper. Oh, I've got to put my green pitch in here. Look for recycled content, post-consumer, when you are buying wrapping paper. So that's a way that you can be green. You can also reuse the paper. We can tell you a ton of that, but I digress. But if I was going to put my little green in there because I'm very passionate about it. So here I'm going to pull up the product to tell you about it. What I like, you can see behind me, it's clear. So you know what? We as human beings want the easiest way to do something. And so that's what I love about this. Everything's clear, it's compact, it's easy to move if you have to bring it into another room to do wrapping. But they've got lots of great features. So let me grab it. Now since growing up in my mother's household, we have always recycled ribbons. So I have, what I ended up putting in here are all my ribbons for my wedding. So if I'm sending you a gift this year, it's going to have a ribbon for my wedding. But let's do the top. Now this is the deluxe version that I was sent. So For instance, in mine, you can see those are some Christmas bows. I put some gift tags that we have for the kids. And then you can see I have Christmas bows. And then I'm pull it up so you can see this is where I put the bulk of my stuff on my wedding bows. So this zips up. Again, it's like a garment bag. And that's the other thing that I really liked about this product. When I was talking to Adam, he said he invented it because his wife came home and said, you know, I need a solution to this. And he's like, oh my gosh, I can come up with something. I'm the same way and my husband's the same thing. So I really appreciate someone, husband who was helping out his wife and came up with this wonderful solution. So then if you open it up, there are some mesh bags. We'll do one side first. Flip it around. Mesh bags. So for instance, I have scraps of paper there, which I could use to put over the purple Valentine's gift, but I'm not. My husband accepts me as is. And then I put my scissors there. And this side is the side with smaller wrapping paper where you can put that. And again, these are all Velcroed shut. And then you turn it around, and for those that have the longer wrapping paper, you're able to put that there. And there's a great handle on it. At the top here you can see is the hanger. And it is very easy to use. If you are someone that giving gifts is your thing, you're definitely going to want one of these, if not more. And again, for the average family, this is a product I thought, you know, I don't know if I'd use or not. But it was funny when I had first talked to Adam, I've been thinking, you know what, maybe I want to get one of those. And then he sent me one. I use it. I love it. It makes it so much easier, especially because I'm reusing bows all the time. I have a convenient place. I can see what's in there. And my husband uses it. So when I say when we wrap gifts, then he knows where it goes back, and it's, again, easy to transport. So if you're looking for a product to help you clear the clutter for your wrapping items, I hope you'll check out Adam's. And again, it is wrapitgiftbag.com.
Thanks for joining us on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out. You can find out more about Julie Coraccio and her services at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. We'll see you here next Tuesday at 1 p.m. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step.